Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food blog. Now let's start making on how to make the easy and delicious mango pudding cake. For the ingredients, we need 1 liter of full cream milk, 4 packs of sweet biscuits or 4 packs of Graham biscuits, 100 grams of water, 80 grams of gelatin powder or 2 packs of Mr. Gulaman, 200 grams of cornstarch, 300 grams of melted butter, 220 grams of white sugar. And for the last, we need 6 pieces of fresh mangoes. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy and delicious mango pudding cake. For the first step, put all the graham cracker in a ziplock plastic. Use a rolling pin to crush all the biscuits. You can use also a food processor for you to easily crush all the graham cracker. Afterwards, transfer in a bowl and set aside. Now do the same procedure to the remaining graham cracker. Crush all using the rolling pin or a food processor. After crushing all the biscuits, separate a 1/4 biscuits in another bowl and set aside. We will use this for our toppings. Now add the unsalted melted butter and mix it well. After mixing, pour the crushed graham into a baking pan and divide it into 2. Then use a spoon to spread it out evenly, then press to flatten the biscuits. Now put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or after we cook our filling to our mango pudding cake. For the next step, slice 3 mangoes. Use a spoon to remove the mango from the skin and transfer in the blender. Always remember, be careful of using knives. Now add the 1 liter of fresh milk and a sugar to the blender. Now blend it for 1 to 2 minutes until the texture becomes smooth. After blending the mangoes, transfer in a casserole. Preheat the casserole in medium heat and wait until it simmers. When it started to simmer, now add the gelatin powder. Mix it well until it dissolves. In another bowl, put the cornstarch and water. Mix it well until it dissolves. Now pour it to the mango mixture. Mix it until become a thick batter. When the texture is already thick batter, transfer in a baking pan with the biscuits, divide it into two and spread it evenly. Now put the remaining crushed graham to the top of our mango pudding. Now put in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight or until it become smooth and softly hard. For the toppings, for the remaining mangoes, slice the mangoes and set aside the bone. Now slice the mangoes in side by side. Use a spoon to remove the skin and put in a bowl. Now use a paring knife to cut the edge to easily remove the baking pan from the cake. And for the last, put the cubed mangoes on the top of our mango pudding cake. And this is our easy, delicious, smooth and creamy mango pudding cake. Serve it with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!